In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates for repeated projects. If you find yourself setting up the same type of project over and over again, creating a template will save you a lot of time and help keep your work consistent and organized. First, make sure you already have a project set up that represents the structure you want to reuse. This might include tasks, subtasks, assignees, due dates, or any custom fields you regularly need. Think of this project as your ideal example that you want to turn into a reusable format. Now, with that project open in your workspace, look toward the top right area of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu is where additional actions and advanced options for your project are stored, including the ability to create a template. After you click on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several choices related to the project. From that list, look for the option labeled Save as Template. Click on Save as Template. By doing this, you're telling the system to capture the current structure and settings of the project and store them as a reusable template. At this point, depending on your platform's behavior, you may be prompted to give your new template a name, and in some cases, a description. Choose a clear descriptive name that will help you and your team easily recognize what the template is for, such as Client Onboarding Template or Monthly Campaign Template. If there's a space for a description, you can briefly explain when and how this template should be used. Once it's saved, your template will be available whenever you create a new project. Instead of building everything from scratch, you'll be able to select this template and instantly load the same structure, tasks, and settings you just captured. This makes it much easier to keep repeated projects consistent, reduces setup time, and helps prevent important steps from being forgotten. That's all you need to do. Open your project, click on the 3 dots, and choose Save as Template. From now on, you'll have a reliable, ready-made starting point every time you run